What's going on, everyone? Sebastian here from Crypto News. Today we're going to be talking about yield farming on Dot.Finance. Now, Dot.Finance is an exciting new yield farm that is really changing the way people are using yield farms by auto compounding their generated returns, which means an overall higher APY. So for those of you who love passive income, stay tuned to the end to see exactly how Dot.Finance can help you auto compound your yields and improve your passive income. Now, remember folks, I'm not a financial advisor, so please always do your own research anytime you're investing in cryptocurrency. This video is strictly for educational purposes only. And if this is your first time watching one of my videos, 99% of my viewers are not subscribed yet. So if you love crypto content and you loved in-depth tutorial videos that are well researched, then I encourage you to subscribe to this crypto channel so that way you'll never miss another new exciting crypto video just like this one. Typically, buying and holding crypto for a couple of months or years is a common technique for people looking to get a return in crypto with little to no engagement. This means that an investor accepts to buy a digital asset and hold it in a safe wallet with the expectation that its value will rise dramatically in the future and yield massive profit. An investor does not need to be engaged in the crypto market for the duration of this investment. Having understood that money earned from ventures in which one isn't actively involved is referred to as passive income. He may want to think of any return from his investment as passive income. However, just purchasing and holding a crypto asset for an extended period of time does not guarantee a profit. In fact, there's a good chance you'll lose money due to market volatility. As a result, holding crypto solely cannot be regarded as a true passive income generator. Instead of just holding and waiting for the value of your digital assets to increase, you can actually earn true passive income with your idle crypto assets. Dot.Finance on the Polkadot network offers an excellent opportunity to do that. In this video, we'll discuss what the platform is about and how you can take advantage of it. So what is Dot.Finance? Dot.Finance is a relatively new DeFi platform that aims to encourage the Polkadot ecosystem's growth. Dot.Finance, just like other DeFi applications, provides financial services to users through smart contracts rather than third parties. Basically, Dot.Finance is designed to bring DeFi to a wide range of users. It aims to achieve that by providing access to a variety of high-performing financial instruments. This will help increase user exposure to the many benefits of the Polkadot ecosystem and aid in the adoption of not only the Polkadot framework, but also the numerous new DeFi products and services that Dot.Finance is developing on top of Polkadot's secure, robust architecture. The Dot.Finance project is backed by several brilliant minds well experienced in everything decentralized finance. It has staking functionality, yield farming, liquidity pools, and other DeFi products. Yield farming on Dot.Finance. If you have spent enough time in DeFi, you should probably know what yield farming is. At its most basic level, yield farming is the activity of leveraging DeFi protocols to make your money work for you. You can use your funds to lend, borrow, trade, or offer liquidity rather than keeping them in a zero interest or less than 1% interest account, or even a hardware wallet hidden beneath your bed. Essentially, yield farming requires you to give liquidity in the form of loans in exchange for interest after a set length of time. It is similar to staking, which on the other hand is the process of funding proof-of-stake protocols in order for the network to mine and confirm transactions while investors get rewards. Both concepts are DeFi protocol applications that are gaining traction among crypto enthusiasts. Users are rewarded with native tokens and or a share of transaction costs on DeFi networks, which encourages them to participate. Dot.Finance hosts both protocols and makes it simple to profit from them. The main goal in yield farming is to earn the highest rewards from your idle crypto assets locked up in the protocol. You do this by adding your funds to liquidity pools to support automated market makers. After adding liquidity to a pool, you get LP tokens that show how much you have contributed to the pool. Those LP tokens give you the right to a portion of the swap fees from the pool. However, you can still stake the LP tokens in a different farm to earn more rewards. With the variety of reward generating options available, the strategies may get increasingly complex. Since yield farming can be a little little complicated, there are chances that you might miss opportunity windows or experience other errors, which reduces your chances of making a profit with the lucrative concept. It can also be difficult to pick the best deals and move the funds without risking the profit-draining gas fees. Dot.Finance saves the day with its concept of auto-compounding yield, which simplifies the process and minimizes the need to move from deals to deals. The role of the smart contract involves optimizing the compound returns and distributing fees across farms. This way, Dot.Finance users benefit from the platform's intelligent algorithms. The best part is that they do so at a lower rate, which you are unlikely to get if you do it on your own. Here's a deeper explanation of how Dot.Finance maximizes yields. PancakeSwap is the most active decentralized exchange with the highest volume on BSC and one of the leading platforms in the industry. Dot.Finance is leveraging and expanding on its strengths to improve the yield farming experience. As earlier stated, you receive LP tokens when you provide liquidity to a pool, in this case PSC. You can stake those LP tokens to earn new cake tokens. Although these rewards encourage individuals to add liquidity to the pools, more time and effort is required from farmers. Again, the cake you receive for staking LP tokens can be converted into more LP tokens to compound returns or stake in pools to earn other tokens. But since PCS lacks auto compounding pools or farms, you have to manually convert and stake those LP tokens. And you can make a mistake or even miss the compounding times, which affects your APY. However, optimal compounding helps to increase your returns almost magically. For instance, if you have to auto compound once a day for 1 year, your otherwise 40% APY turns to 49%. You are getting almost a 25% increase in returns thanks to Dot.Finance's yield aggregator. This highlights how keeping your funds solely on PCS is essentially underutilizing them. Furthermore, when you collect rewards or harvest your yields, you get 70% of your earnings in LP tokens and the remaining 30% in their native token Pink. However, this is just only your profit. Your main asset stays untouched. The 30% for which Pink is minted is the performance fee distributed to Pink stakers. Nonetheless, the Pink token is a governance token with added utility native to the Dot.Finance platform. With the token, you can vote and help move the protocol in the direction you feel it should go when future changes are proposed. And on the other hand, you are already aware that it is used to reward liquidity providers and help increase the returns when they interact with the platform. Basically, you can stake it to earn rewards and multiply your APR when claiming profit. Dot.Finance has a couple of supported farms, which they intend to add to with projects in the Polkadot ecosystem as they grow. The farms include Dot.BNB, Link BNB, Reef BNB, Lit BNB, Ramp BNB, Lena BNB. They also have 2 stablecoin farms, which are USDT BNB and BUSD BNB. Although BUSD is not on Polkadot, the team included it as a tribute for hosting the Polkadot ecosystem and helping it evolve into something great. To begin farming the yields, you simply have to go to PancakeSwap, connect your wallet, and provide liquidity for one of the pools supported in their farms. Once you get your LP tokens, head to Dot.Finance and stake the tokens to begin farming. As we have discussed, you can set it and forget it with their auto compounding algorithm. You don't have to babysit your tokens to get the best returns. So what's next for Dot.Finance? As a new protocol, there's room for expansion, and the Dot.Finance team have new additions coming. In addition to existing farms, you should expect the launch of new farms like DAI USDC and BUSD USDC, as well as other projects in the Polkadot ecosystem. Again, users will be able to deploy their vault strategy and integrate with sushi decks, allowing them to auto-compound rewards and maximize profits on sushi farms. There are also plans to launch and offer more vault strategies to provide even higher yields for current farms. They will also integrate with Chainlink oracles to improve their vault security with extra price feeds. Dot.Finance will carry out more audits for their smart contracts to make sure that users' funds are safe and secure. Dot.Finance offers an opportunity for investors to make the best passive income with their yield farming and auto compounding strategy. They are leveraging the strengths of PCS to offer users more rewards. Their team, made up of DeFi experts, have been working to improve on what is currently available and deliver greater yields and experience to users. If you are thinking of making your money work for you with little or no engagement, you should check out Dot.Finance. Well, thank you so much for watching, folks. If you have any questions at all, drop me a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you found this video resourceful, please smash that like button. It really does help support this channel and it means the world to us as we do a ton of research for each video we put out for you guys. Well, till next time, I'll see you all on the next video.